Today I'm going to show you how to change button color in Squarespace step by step so you can quickly update the look of your site without guessing your way through the design settings. Whether you want your buttons to stand out more, better match your branding, or just look more polished, this is a simple change that can make a big difference across your website. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the site preview, click Edit in the top left corner. This puts you into editing mode so you can access the design tools for your site. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Paintbrush icon. This opens your Site Styles panel, which is where Squarespace keeps all of your main design settings. Inside the Site Styles sidebar, click Colors. This is where Squarespace organizes your color themes and button styling options. Scroll down until you see the list of your section color themes. You'll usually see names like Light 1, Light Minimal, Dark Bold, and other preset style cards. These themes control the look of different sections on your site, so the button color you want to change will depend on which theme is assigned to that area. Now, locate the specific color theme used by the section where your button appears. Once you find it, click the pencil icon next to that theme card. This opens the detailed settings for that color theme, giving you access to the elements connected to it. From here, scroll down through the long list of customizable site elements until you find the buttons category. Squarespace gives you 3 different button tiers to style: primary, secondary, and tertiary. That means you can customize different button types depending on how your site is built. If you want to change the main call to action button, look for the primary button settings. If you want to adjust a secondary style or a less prominent button, choose the matching tier instead. This is really useful if you want your most important button to stand out more than the others. Now click the color circle swatch next to the specific button property you want to change. If you want to change the inside of the button, click Button Background. If you want to change the text inside the button, click Button Text. Once you click the swatch, Squarespace will open the color picker panel so you can choose your new color. At this point, you can pick a color from your preset palette if you want to stay within your current brand colors, or if you need a more custom look, click the Custom tab and choose your own exact color. Take your time here and preview the options carefully because the right button color can make your design feel much cleaner and more professional. If you're changing the background color, make sure the text still has enough contrast so it's easy to read. And if you're changing the button text color, make sure it stands out clearly against the background. A good rule of thumb is to choose colors that are bold enough to catch attention, but still consistent with the overall style of your website. Once you're happy with the new color, just close the picker and let Squarespace save the update in your site styles. Then check your page preview to make sure the button looks the way you want it to. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the color until it feels perfect, and that's it. You now know how to change button color in Squarespace. It's a quick design tweak, but it can make a big difference in how professional and clickable your website feels. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.